latest guide to simple and easy cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make creamy tuna pasta. So let's get started.
I've got here 400 grams of large spiral pasta which I have cooked, or you can use any pasta of your choice. 2 by 185 grams of canned tuna which I have drained. I'm using yellowfin tuna in oil, or you can use any tuna of your choice. 1 can of corn kennels which I have drained, and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. For my cheese sauce, I've got here 4 cups of full cream milk which I have heated in the microwave for 3 minutes, or you can heat it in a saucepan until hot. 4 tablespoons of plain flour or all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 4 tablespoons of butter which I have chopped, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and 2 cups of grated tasty cheese, or you can use any cheese of your choice. To make the cheese sauce, place a pot on medium heat, add butter and heat it until the butter has melted. Add flour, mix it well and cook it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, slowly add the milk and continue stirring it until smooth and lump-free, and bring it to a boil. Add pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt and grated cheese. Mix it well and cook it for 2 minutes, stirring it continuously. Add tuna and corn kernels. Give it a mix and cook it for 1 minute. Add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Give it a mix and taste your salt. It needs a little bit more salt, so I'm adding extra half a teaspoon of salt, but you can add it according to your taste. Give it a mix and turn the heat off. Add pasta, mix it well to combine, and it is ready to serve. My creamy tuna pasta is ready, and you can make it and serve it to family and friends on its own, or with some garlic bread, some steamed vegetables, or salad. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.